So second last day, 27th, and this will be the second last day of this cheap bike build off, and I am going to give you a little walk around what I still have to do. So actually relatively easy. I'm going to use this here for the front brake because that's the way I've been riding all my life. Left is the front brake for me. So I will need to go through here, through this hanger. I just found a stem where I could go above and through the stem, but that's obviously not polished, it's not drilled, it's not all that beautiful, so that is a future modification. Cannot conceive that within the given time frame. So front brake cable. I'd like to ask your opinion what you think of the way and the bar ends are used here. Obviously you can ride, it gives you a little bit extra height, so this is a second possible arm position. So even if you only go for half an hour ride, I think one benefits from that. Like your opinion, I was going to wrap this in bar tape,